Have you ever seen funny words or expressions in English, but you couldn't understand what they meant? It's necessary to study them in context. I'm here to help. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study interesting vocabulary in English. Workhorse. Sam and Laura are discussing their project at work. Laura is sharing her opinion. Tell me again, Laura, what do you think? I'm really worried about this project, Sam. It seems like we have so much to do in such a short time. Don't worry, we have a great team, and everyone will pitch in to get it done. I know, but it still feels like we're going to be working nonstop until it's finished. Well, sometimes you just have to be a workhorse to get the job done. You're right. I guess we'll just have to focus and power through it. Quiz time. What does workhorse mean? Someone who avoids work? A horse that works? Someone who works hard? A machine that does a lot of work? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. Someone who works hard. Teaching moment. A workhorse is someone who works hard and is reliable, often taking on a lot of tasks and getting things done efficiently. In the past, horses had to work very hard to help people on farms or in cities, etc. That's where this expression comes from. Examples. Jim is always the first one in the office and the last one to leave. He's a real workhorse. The manager relies on Susan as a workhorse to keep the team on track and meet deadlines. Our department couldn't function without Tom. He's the workhorse that keeps everything running smoothly. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Pitch in. Help out. Contribute. Working non-stop. Working without stopping. Power through. Continue working hard despite difficulties. Taking on a lot. Receiving a lot. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.